You're welcome to Progressive Recipes. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the easiest buttercream. I call it low budget buttercream. You don't need to spend much to make this buttercream, and it's suitable for all weather. It cannot fail you if you can get the measurement correctly. So just measure out 600 grams of butter and you put in your hand mixer or standing mixer and begin to cream. I'm using standing mixer. You can put in a bowl, use your standing hand mixer to cream it till it's very light and fluffy. You are going to be using 2 kgs of icing sugar. Yes, 2 kgs of icing sugar for this recipe. So that is what you need to make this stable and firm. Like I said, it's for all weather. You don't need to be shaking in times of weather. The next thing you need is vanilla flavor and water. Please make sure you're using little water. I can't tell you water measurement because sometimes some absorb butter and icing sugar absorbed a little more water, some don't take much. So you stick in the consistency, check the texture as you drop water, not pour water, just drop water. And make sure you sieve your icing sugar, very important to remove lumps, not dirty, but at least to make sure it's free of lumps. All you need is that flaky powder, so light powder. So right now I'm removing a little, but I will use later. Yes, because if you want to pipe on your cake, you just need to remove a little out of the main buttercream, the main icing sugar that you can add to the main buttercream when it's already done before you start piping. It helps it stand more than the normal buttercream you're using. But sometimes I use just one texture for everything, but I'm just telling you what I do depending if I have the time to. So right now I'm done mixing my butter. I dropped little vanilla flavor, that's half teaspoon of vanilla flavor. So you can just half tablespoon of vanilla flavor. So you can use 1 tablespoon if you want the flavor to come out very well. So I started pouring my icing sugar a bit at a time, little at a time, and I drop my water. You can see me dropping water, not pouring water, dropping it little at a time to make sure I get that right texture I want. If today is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipe. In this channel, I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you will love. So stick to this lovely channel, and don't forget I have more than 500, now up to 600 videos that I know you will love. So don't just watch this and go away. Please reach out to my other videos, and I promise you, you will never regret it because my videos are well detailed. Yes, so take your time. You can see me mixing this. I don't like mixing my icing sugar into the butter with standing mixer or hand mixer. Reason because I don't want to over mix it. Yes, if you over mix it, you'll be struggling with air bubbles. You working on your cake, air bubbles will keep messing up the surface of the buttercream or your body of your cake. So if you feel you can handle icing sugar and butter together with standing mixer or hand mixer, no problem, but I can't. I only do the mixing, creaming of butter with my hand mixer or standing mixer. If I'm done creaming my butter, I'm done. The icing sugar, I don't attempt adding it in while the mixer is still on. You can see my buttercream is ready. It's a very simple recipe, very easy to make. So right now I'll be mixing colors. I want a little dark blue and a little light like a sky blue to decorate a lovely cake. I've already posted that cake, and I'll be showing how I made the recipe, the main cake inside. So if you have not watched the video, go and watch how I decorated that blue lovely cake. I'm going to be showing you how I was able to bake the cake very soon. So if you're here watching, you have not subscribed, you're missing. I'm using agabado, Ashe is acabado. Yeah, Eisen sugar, not Eisen sugar, color, food color is I think the make is more in Nigeria. I got this color from Nigeria. Anywhere you are, any food color can work, but this particular product is just a little drop. Everything is red. That's how it is. You can see me scooping out the colors because I know it can change the whole thing automatically and give me another blue. I wanted a little like a sky blue and a deep blue. So that's what I want to achieve. If you're in Nigeria, go for Acabado products, color, food color. It's very sharp, it's nice and lovely. Just a little drop, your cake is out. Your color, your buttercream or fondant is out. You can see that dark blue is coming out. So I mixed it thoroughly and make sure it comes out. If you watch up to this moment, what are you waiting for? Click on the like button. Have you liked my video? Have you subscribed? Have you liked? Just comment. Feel free to like this video. You can see that lovely color. This is super nice. Or you've watched the decoration. This is how I made this lovely cake. That I can put up the cake here now for you to see the cake. This is the buttercream I used to decorate this lovely cake. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your friends and family. This is the easiest way you can make it. Don't overcream.